Love burgers with crispy edges and juicy centers? Today, I'll show you how to make the perfect smash burger at home with simple ingredients and an easy cooking method that delivers amazing flavor every time. Ingredients: you'll need ground beef, burger buns, butter, salt, black pepper, cheddar cheese, sliced onions, pickles, ketchup, and mustard. Prepare the beef. Divide the ground beef into equal-sized loose balls, making sure not to press them too tightly so they stay tender while cooking. Heat the pan. Place a cast iron skillet or heavy pan over high heat and let it become very hot before adding the beef. Smash the patties. Place one beef ball onto the hot pan, immediately smash it flat with a sturdy spatula, season with salt and black pepper, and cook for about 2 minutes until the edges become crispy. Flip and melt the cheese. Flip the patty, place a slice of cheddar cheese on top, and cook for another minute until the cheese melts perfectly. Toast the buns. Spread a little butter on the burger buns and toast them in the same pan until they become lightly golden. Assemble the burger. Spread ketchup and mustard on the buns. Add the cheesy smash patty, top with sliced onions and pickles, then finish with the top bun. Your juicy, crispy smash burger is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.